Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux IQ-Touch dryer and it's giving you an E32 error on the display and you're trying to figure out what this error is. So basically what the error is that the moisture sensor frequency is too low, is being detected as too low by the control board. So this might be coming from the sensor, it might be coming from the wiring, it might be coming from the control board. The first thing you want to do is just kind of clean off the sensor because any buildup of soap scum or detergent or anything like that can prevent it from working properly. If that doesn't fix it, the next thing you want to do is get in and just check all the wiring and make sure there's no loose, damaged, disconnected wires or anything like that. And if it's none of that, then what's probably happening is that the control board is having an issue communicating with the moisture sensor, and you're probably going to need to replace the control board. Now, if it comes to that, you might want to call somebody. If you want to try it by yourself, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a little tutorial on how to actually replace the electronic control board in your dryer.